Hey, what's up guys, welcome, and to get regular updates from the channel, make sure to subscribe. So it's been a long time guys, a long time since I last covered Nokia on this channel. 9 months ago was the last time I made a Nokia video, but I guess better late than never, am I right? And today Nokia is getting my attention because, well, they did something really amazing. Getting to the point, Nokia 9.3 is under development and the main feature of the smartphone is the under-display selfie camera. Previously, I have told you that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will be the world's first smartphone to feature an under-display selfie camera, but now Nokia is also in the contenders list. According to earlier reports, HMD was developing both an under-display camera and the pop-up mechanism at the same time for the Nokia 9.3. The pop-up camera was being developed because Nokia needed a contingency plan if the in-display camera fails. Because this is such a novel technology and no one have a fully functioning model available for mass production. Those Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi were concept phones, not consumer-ready devices, and I don't think we can count them as the world's first because they are not available for the customers. Now, according to the leak, Nokia has decided to go all in with the in-display camera and they are fully committed to bring us the under-display camera technology on the Nokia 9.3. They are indeed going to scrap the pop-up mechanism contingency plan. The Nokia 9.3 is supposed to launch in mid-July or early August, but it's not the official launch day. And the Galaxy Note 20 is also supposed to get announced on the start of August. So the time difference between these smartphones are not big, and both of these companies will try to be the first to launch their smartphones. Both Nokia and Samsung would want to take advantage of the hype around the quote-unquote world's first consumer-ready in-display camera smartphone, and both would want to say that they were the first ones to bring this technology to mainstream consumers. Now guys, the question is, which one do you think is going to do it first? Nokia or Samsung? What's your opinion from over here? I personally think it will be Nokia as they need the hype more than Samsung. The display of the Nokia 9.3 is a 6.3 inches QHD panel of no notch or no hole. There's no word about the refresh rate, but I hope it's at least 90Hz. Other Nokia 9.3 specifications includes a top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which means 5G will be on board. Also, in regular Nokia fashion, they will also be doing the Penta rear cameras just like the OG Nokia 9. The cameras are supposed to be 64 megapixel for the main camera and 108 megapixel for the ultra-wide lens. The battery is 4500 mAh with fast charging. The storage is supposed to be 128GB for the base model and 6GB RAM. I think 6GB of RAM is a bit less, 8GB should be minimum. Nokia is also supposed to keep the headphone jack alive. If they do that, if they keep the headphone jack alive, damn, I will be so happy. It's not every day when we see a headphone jack on a 2020 flagship. We don't have any further details on the Nokia 9.3, but I think the in-display camera is enough to get us all excited. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Nokia 9.3. Make sure to subscribe for further details on the smartphone. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and guys, thanks for watching.